Let us study about the regions of the root. So first let us draw the structure of a root. This is the soil, and then this is the root. So we will start from the bottom of the root. At the bottom of the root, we will find a cap-like structure which is called root cap. It is a thimble-like structure which protects the apex of the root. The apex of the root is very soft, and hence it needs to be protected when the root digs into the soil. So this is the bottommost part of the root, which is the root cap. A few millimeters above this root cap is the region of meristematic activity. So suppose this is the region of meristematic activity. Now what happens in this region is that the cells which are found here are very small, they are thin walled, and they have dense protoplasm, and they undergo active division. They undergo cell division very rapidly, and they form new cells continuously. Hence it is called the region of meristematic activity. Here mainly the meristematic cells are produced, which later modify into different kind of cells in the root, and they show a very active cell division. So this is called the region of meristematic activity, which is a few millimeters above the root cap. Then proximal to this region of meristematic activity is the region of elongation. Region of elongation. So what happens here? The meristematic cells which are continuously dividing, they undergo rapid elongation and enlargement. So suppose if these are the cells of meristematic activity, then in the region of elongation they undergo elongation and enlargement like this. They enlarge in size, and they are mainly responsible for the growth of root lengthwise. So the growth of root, the length of the root grows in size, in length, because of the region of elongation, because the cells undergo rapid elongation and enlargement. Then above the region of elongation is the region of maturation. Region of maturation. Now as we can see in the name maturation, so here what happens, the cells which are elongated, they differentiate and mature in the region of maturation. So the cells become specialized in the region of maturation. And one more characteristic of the region of maturation is that the epidermal cells of the region of maturation, they form thread-like structures here, which are very thin and delicate. They form thread-like structures, and these structures are called root hair. Now what does this root hair do? This root hair is responsible for the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Because these root hairs are very small, they have high surface area, which increases the absorption power of the root. So these root hair will be present all over the region of maturation. So these are the three regions of the root. Starting from the bottom, first we'll have a root cap which protects the soft apex of the root. A few millimeters above it is a region of meristematic activity, where the cells are very small and thin walled and they undergo rapid cell division. Above that region is a region of elongation, where the cells elongate and enlarge in size and is responsible for the growth of root lengthwise. And proximal to that region is the region of maturation, where these elongated cells, they differentiate and mature, and the cells, epidermal cells of the maturation region, they form thread-like structures which form the root hair that is responsible for the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. So I hope the regions of root is clear. Thank you.